I came across this recipe on TikTok and it is so good. Keep watching to find out how you can make it for yourself. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Emily from Lima Bean Living. In today's video, I am sharing a super easy dump cake that anyone can make. You're going to need one box cake. I like doing a yellow cake mix. You're going to use some pie filling. You could do apple or strawberry. I chose cherry and about 30 ounces. It's a bigger container. And then you're going to need 1.5 sticks of butter. And that is it, you guys. It is so simple. You want to grab a 9 by 13 inch cake pan and give it a good spray of cooking spray. We don't want this to stick. And then you're going to dump in your pie filling. I have tried this with a smaller amount of pie filling in the past, but after trying it with a 30-ounce can, I highly suggest getting the 30-ounce can of pie filling. Then we're going to pour our box cake mix right on top of that. We're not going to mix it, but I would suggest kind of spreading it out and just leveling it off. Once that is nice and covered, we're going to cut up our 1.5 sticks of butter, slice it really thin, and put it all over the top of your cake mix. And then you're going to throw this in a oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes to an hour. This time I did it for 40 minutes, but I have baked it anywhere in that range. It just kind of depends on how nice and brown and crispy you want it to be. And then you're done. This is so simple. It goes really well with vanilla ice cream, but it is just as delicious if you just eat it by itself. I hope you guys like this short and sweet little video. I hope you give this a try. If you do and love it, leave me a comment down below. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and check out all of my motherhood content, and I will see you in the next one. Woohoo! You've made it to the end of the video. If you didn't know already, my name is Emily from Lima Bean Living. Welcome. We are so happy to have you. We post videos every Monday and Friday on a variety of content: lifestyle, cooking, cleaning, military life, DIYs, encouraging mathematical development in children, and so much more. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time.